Ji, Adnan Rathore. As always, I'm here to present you latest construction update of the projects. So today, right now, I'm at Takmeel Square, Bahawalpur, DHA, and to show you the updates regarding the project, bear with me. So right now, this is the concrete mixture and everything, and I'm standing right now at the batching plant. Right now. This is the batching plant. These are the belt of 4 Marla commercial. There's the site office. Main boulevard of DHA coming from canal. That is the feather scare. And PSO is coming right there. There'll be a petrol pump over there, and then on the other side the 4 Marla commercial has also started. We can see the pillars coming up, the concrete. This is the okay. Then outside that there'll be a fork. The portion has been covered up actually, so there'll be a miracle garden site for the miracle garden as well. So this is the area for Takmeel Square, DHA Bahawalpur.